Want to build a fully automated report in just a few clicks? Smart reports build themselves automatically, pulling in your client's marketing data and creating a ready-to-send report in seconds. Here's how to create a smart report in AgencyAnalytics. Start by heading to Reports in the left-hand menu. Click Create Report in the top right corner. From here, select Client Report and choose the client you want to create a smart report for. Then click Continue. Now, choose your layout. Pick Slide Deck if the report will be presented, or Document Report if it will be sent for review. Then, select Smart Report as your starting point. After that, give the report a name and hit Create. AgencyAnalytics will instantly generate a ready-to-use report, complete with widgets based on the client's connected marketing channels. From here, customize everything. Add in new sections, adjust widgets, reorder pages, or swap out metrics to fit the reporting style. And don't forget to add custom commentary and insights to enhance your report even further. Once everything looks good, send the report manually or schedule it to send automatically on any cadence that works best. And that's it, a smart report that updates itself and sends on autopilot. Ready to simplify your reporting and impress clients with fully automated insights? Start your free trial with AgencyAnalytics today and start reporting smarter, not harder.